created for Power BI dashboards. Just taken from Gaggle, Superstore data set from Gaggle. The tech and analysis for sales. Okay, total this data set total 2 years of data. Just taking 2019 and 2020. Total orders giving for 5.9. Total sales 1.57 million. Total quantity of sales 22k. Total customers buying repeatedly and continuously 773 customers. Just 2 years 773 customers repeatedly again buying for online. Total profit 175 26k. This 2020 2019 175.26k. Total profit for previous year 564.68k. Year over growth 177.29%. 4 year next year of sales growth is 177.29%. Just see 2019, that is total order received for 2.6k. Total sales 564. Just show the received sales. I change it 2020. Just see. Filter. Next. The total sales profit trends. Just see, is going smoothly. And day by day that sales trend, and just say sales trend for month. Just see June. Next. Double tap highlight. So let's say scale. June sum of sales 1,09,587. Every month sales for 2 years. That office total category for quantity sales, office supplies just 13,625 quantity is sales. Furniture 4,631. Technology 4,061. This is a quantity of sales. This is sales amount of sales. Okay. This is a profit per month. Profit trend. So we go next page. Just see. Every office supplies total sales and sum of profit. Just see total quantity and total sales and sum of profit. This thing. This filter is used for every month, every category and state and city and every day. Okay. Just this is a top category of profit per subcategory. Just this. This is loss is on the last. Just see the tables and supplies. This bookcase and machines. This is not easy because it's loss for 11k total profit. Not profit. It's 11k is loss. But supplies is 1,654. This bookcase 342. So this is a strategy. The bookcase supplies strategy. Just see furniture. Furniture is loss. Office supplies. These tables also okay. furniture, technologies. So this is okay. This is just 38 rupees is profit for 2 years. So this is a problem. Okay, just get it. Here this is the standard classes. Ship mode. The standard classes is it's a good profit and okay. Same day delivery is not okay. This first class, second class is okay, good for more than standard class. This is every region wise the sales is for just this is east side is most sales is. Okay. So just top order is subcategory. Top order 915 orders for binders. This is this product is this subcategory product is most of sales. Again then pepper, then furnishing is going again. That's the copiers. That was a list of subcategories. Just like that. Judge. Just see, it's state wise total profit, total orders, total quantity, total sales. Just see state wise. The state wise furniture is going. This one orders giving 100 rupees profit, just for quantity. So, okay. So some of quantities going to loss. This is loss 290 crore, 3 crore. That's a problem. Okay. Just clear it. Just 2019. See, just 2,580 orders came. Office supplies 1,566. Furniture 5,963. Technology 459. This is cash and delivery. 632 orders is gave. Quantity 2,364. The total sales is 67,274. Its profit 15,156. So cash and delivery is this online is less. For card is too less of profit. So just counting this cancel. This of this same 2020 same most order 3,313 orders came from that time. This is a top customer is just see clear it. The Raymond bench. This customer is here. Total 18 orders give it and 6,976 rupees of profit. But this one customer, top customer is there. But 2019 Hadam Belly. The customer 9 orders giving product 1,568 rupees of profit. So 2020 is the brain mouse. Total giving for 14 orders, sum of profit 1,093. The 2 years added, the Raymond bench is 18 hours giving the top of customers. Okay, next. Same of price for this one. So last one is okay. Erase this. Total percentage of sales yes result. West side Y 33% of total sales. East side 28.72%. Central side 21.78%. South side 16.1% total sales doing for. Then the return is came for 1130. This is the total percentage of 5% is give return the items. Yeah. In 2019 no orders return, but 2020 is came for 9.6%. 1130. Total 2 years added just 5.6% of product is total quantity returns. Just category office supplies 41% sale. If this is a most office supplies is more sales category. Then 28.84% furniture sales, 30.05% technology category product sale. Then there's segment consumer is most of buying products at 48.09% sales. Then corporate segment is 32.55% of sales. Home office 19.35% of sales. This is most of this United States. Then furniture categories. This North America. This is most of sales. This I see just North America, Europe. This is Europe sales showing more. East, Central, East, South, West. Okay. This is creating a dashboard information. Then why this is shown as you login. This Power BI premium is not allowed for maps. That's why I am not logging. Now I will log into this